Hey guys, welcome back to Wind It Back Watches. It's been a minute since I've done a haul video, but I went to a couple swap meets really quick this weekend and was able to pick up a couple watches. So let's get into it. So first up, I've got this Seiko Sports 50 watch. I paid $10 for this. I'll probably clean it up and take off this band because I don't think this is an original band to this watch. I've not tested it yet. I've not tested any of these watches actually yet. I just literally picked these up a couple hours ago. But if it works, it'll probably go closer to like 30 because there's some damage on the crystal. This will still be a parts watch regardless. And if it doesn't, probably closer to 25. Next up, I've got this Orvis, which I really don't come across very often. So this was a cool find. It's in really nice condition. It's got a very cool band, which I'm not sure is original. It potentially is. The design looks a little more feminine, but I'm not sure that this is a lady's watch. It's obviously unisex today, but yeah, I'm not sure if it's an original band. I couldn't really find too much on my quick searching online on this particular watch, but it's a really nice band and it's a really clean dial. I like the Roman numerals. Yeah, I might keep it for myself, but we'll see. I paid 20 bucks for this. Looking at it, probably about $50 for this on eBay. And in the middle here, I've got this Casio. Paid $5 for this. It's in pretty decent condition. The band is missing a pin in order to close it, so I'll have to get that taken care of. And will need to be tested as well. All of these will need to be tested, but this is a clean watch for $5. Comps are kind of all over the place on this one, but I'm probably looking in the $30 to $40 range. I generally do pretty well with Casio. And my personal favorite swap meet find of the day was this Benis. Really love the tank Art Deco design of the case and then also the day-date layout on the dial. It's in really lovely condition. It's got a nice band on it. I paid $20 for this Benis. I'm hopeful that it'll work. It looks very clean. I'll keep you guys posted on my reels, whether or not it works. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one or not too, honestly. I just had not come across one like this before, and it's really cool. I think it'll be a little bit too big for me though, honestly, on my wrist size. So I'll likely be selling it for probably about like 60 to 75. Very cool find. And last bonus watch for this video, I did not get this at the swap meet. I got this off Marketplace, but I've got this really nice Seiko quartz tank watch. I paid $20 for this. I've already popped open the back. It looks really clean inside, but I did not have the correct battery on hand, so I've got that coming in the mail. I'm hopeful that this will work because this particular model sells really well. It's really collectible. It's obviously modeled after the Cartier tank. And if it was the men's size, a little bigger, I'd probably keep it for myself too, honestly. But I will sell this one. If it was bigger, I would say $200 for this. Because it's a little smaller, I'm thinking probably more like $150, $160 in that range. I'm also not crazy about this band. So I'm not sure. I'll either buy a nice black leather band to go with it. Yeah, definitely don't want to sell it with this one. Some green there on the band. And it's a little loose up here. So I'll either take it off and sell it just the watch with no band, or I'll spend the money and get a nice black leather band to go with it. But for 20 bucks, this is a great pickup. Definitely have to pay attention to those Facebook listings. This watch was thrown in with a bunch of other non-valuable watches. She was asking, 10 bucks for each of them. And then there was a few extras she wanted 20 bucks for. Very poorly taken pictures, but as I was sifting through, I was able to see like the outline of a tank design, and I could just barely make out that it was Seiko. So I hit her up right away, and I think $20 is a great buy for this model of Seiko. So overall, not too bad. I will keep you guys posted on which ones end up working and which ones don't in my YouTube Reels. So subscribe to follow along. And if there's any watches here that you're interested in purchasing, I have my eBay link in the video description. So thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next one.